Welcome to the Breezy Natural channel. It's your girl Jasmine Bellamy, and today I'm coming to you with another daily vlog. I want to touch on the new rule with YouTube. If you are a YouTuber or if you enjoy small YouTube channels, there's been a new rule that small channels will be demonetized if you do not have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours annually of watch time. So a lot of YouTubers are really disappointed about this. We use the ad revenue to help our channels. I know with my channel, I spend a lot of money on props and equipment, even products. They cost money. So when we're able to monetize our channel, we're able to make a little bit of money from ad revenue. And it does help the channel because we do it because we love it. We do it because it's something that interests us and we want to share with you guys. But it also can be very expensive. So the ad revenue really helps. So I want to talk a little bit to YouTubers and anybody aspiring to do anything really, and especially if you're aspiring to be a video creator. One, be passionate about what you're doing. So make sure that you're doing it with a genuine goal in mind. Do you want to help people? Is it a hobby? Be clear about why you're doing it and make sure you're having fun, because if it comes down to it and you're not making anything and you're putting money into it, you don't want to be in it just for the money. If you're in it just for the money, then maybe try something else, because YouTube takes a long time to grow and it takes a long time to build your money just from ad revenue. Another thing I want to touch on is that you can make money outside of ad revenue. Choose something that you're genuinely, crazy about, something that you love to share with people, and you can use that as an online portfolio. So you can use your YouTube page as an online book to show people, this is what I do. This is how I do it. You can gain new customers, meet friends, gain new clients by having everything that you do online. Put it in a video that's shareable and clickable. So you can get your message and whatever you're trying to do, whatever your business is, you can get that to the world in an instant with a video. And that's one reason why I really, really love YouTube. Do not depend on the ad revenue alone. This is 2018. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, Twitter, your family, anybody your friends, people at school, people at work. Tell everyone about your channel. Have you told a lot of people about your channel? Have you been quiet about your channel? Tell them about your channel. Ask them to subscribe. Yeah, you don't want to be the person who begs for subscribers, but ask people to subscribe, and you'll be surprised that people genuinely are really willing to help you, and they'll be ready to help you. So yes, ask your friends, family, tell everyone you know. Another thing, structure your channel better. So if you're into sports or makeup or hair, or you're just into DIYs, have a plan for your channel. Structure it out. Plan like 100 videos in advance, or stay on a certain subject and follow through A to Z with that subject. That's a great way to get people in and keep people engaged with your content and keep people coming back for more. Another thing I want to touch up on is, yes, I have my bullet points today because I don't want to miss anything. Be consistent, upload often, and have fun. No matter what happens, have fun. If you are a small YouTube channel, try to support other YouTube channels that you are genuinely interested in. I get a lot of asks for sub. Can you sub my channel? I'll sub yours. But, sub me because you really like me, you're interested in what I'm talking about, and I will do the same. Okay, so if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and I will be back tomorrow with another daily vlog.